Welcome to Uncover Jamaica. Today we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to St. Elizabeth's Treasure Beach, where we've discovered a hidden gem called Welcoming Vibes. We're ditching the traditional hotel experience and diving into the vibrant world of unique accommodations. So get ready for some tropical adventure mixed with a little fun and excitement. Picture this: rooms with no walls, panoramic ocean, mountain views, and the most beautiful sunrise and sunset you've ever seen. It's a place where romance meets adventure, the perfect getaway for couples, and if you're a solo traveler, you will have a blast here too. One thing though, this captivating vacation abode is not recommended for children, so you'll just have to leave them at home. Imagine waking up to the sounds of nature and the fresh Jamaican breeze caressing your face. At Welcoming Vibes, the rooms have no walls. Yes, you heard that right. You're surrounded by nature and immersed in the beauty of the Caribbean Sea. Let's talk about those jaw-dropping views. Welcoming Vibes offers sweeping vistas of the ocean and majestic mountains from its rooftop terrace. Whether it's the vibrant sunrise or mesmerizing sunset, each moment will leave you in awe. Are cleverly designed to provide a cozy and intimate atmosphere while allowing you to soak in the breathtaking views. It's not a room for the shy, but for those seeking a one-of-a-kind adventure. It's the perfect romantic setting you won't forget. Embrace the perks of sleeping in a room with no walls as the Jamaican breeze serenades you to sleep each night. And don't worry about mosquitoes. The rooms are equipped with mosquito nets, ensuring a peaceful and cool slumber even in the summer. Looking for an extraordinary adventure? Then check out Welcoming Vibes in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Would you stay at this accommodation? Also, let us know in the comments which unique accommodation in Jamaica we should visit next.